Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful headband. It's perfect for the spring and summer season. As always, the free pattern is available on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. So for this project I used this yarn. So this yarn is called Vireo by Universal Yarn. It's so pretty. It's 80% tencel, 20% wool, and it is considered a medium 5 yarn, also known as aran weight yarn. And I have used this before for my vintage crochet shawl and a bandana that I crocheted a few weeks ago. I will be linking those projects in the notes and in the description box. You will also be needing a 5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors, and that's it. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. Okay, so to begin this tutorial you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and make a slip knot, pop your hook through and tighten, and now you will be chaining 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now that you've chained 60, count 1, 2 and 3 chains from the hook and place a half double crochet into that. So to create a half double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 3 loops. And this creates a half double crochet, and the first chain 2 counts as a half double crochet. And now just go ahead and place a half double crochet into each chain across until you reach the end of the chain. Okay, so this is what row 1 looks like. And now for row 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn your work. In this first chain 3 counts as a half double crochet in chain 1 and goes with this first stitch here. You will be skipping the next stitch, which is the second stitch, and going into the next stitch with a half double crochet. Now chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a half double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a half double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch and go into the next with a half double crochet, and just continue this pattern all the way across and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is what row 2 looks like. I did forget to show you the end of this row, so I did place 1 half double crochet, then I chained 1 and skipped a stitch, and then I placed my last half double crochet in the first chain 1 from the previous row. So now for row 3, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and this counts as your first double crochet. And now go into the next stitch, which is the chain 1 from the previous row, and place a half double crochet into that. And now place a half double crochet into the next stitch, which is the half double crochet from the previous row, and now place a half double crochet into the next stitch, which was the chain 1, and just go ahead and place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across including the chains and the half double crochets. So I'll let you do this and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I've got 2 stitches left to crochet, so I thought I'd show you. So this is the chain 3 from the previous row, which counted as 1 half double crochet in 1 chain space. So place your next half double crochet in the chain, the 3rd chain, and now place another half double crochet into the 2nd chain, like so, to finish off this row. Okay, so for the next row you will be chaining 1. This is just a turning chain. I have turned my work. Place a single crochet into the first stitch. So 2 single crochet, pop your hook directly through, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. Now skip just 1 stitch and go into the next with 5 double crochets. So 2 double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. And now place 4 more double crochets in this stitch. So 3, 4 and 5. And now what we are going to be doing is skipping 2 stitches and going into the next with a single crochet. So now skip 2 stitches and go into the next with 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now skip 2 stitches and go into the next with a single crochet, and just repeat this pattern across until you reach the last 5 stitches. Okay, so we've reached the end of this row and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches left. I've just placed a single crochet and now I'm going to skip 2 stitches and place 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stitches, and now skipping a stitch and going into the last one with a single crochet to finish off this edging. Now what we are going to be doing is turning our projects this way and slip stitching through the side. So just place a couple of stitches so that we can start crocheting the exact same edging on the other side. So there we go, I've reached the other side. Turn your work, and what we are going to be doing is repeating the row that we've just done. Chain 1 and place a single crochet into the next stitch. Now skip a stitch and go into the next with 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches and go into the next with a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches and go into the next with 5 double crochets, and just repeat this pattern until once again you reach the last 5 stitches, where I will show you what to do. Okay, so here we go. I've got 5 last stitches. I've placed a single crochet here. I'm going to skip 2 stitches and go into the next with 5 double crochets, 3, 4 and 5. Skip the next stitch and go into the next with a single crochet like so. And this is the project. So now what we are going to be doing whilst we fasten off, once we finished, is leave a longer tail for sewing in the elastic band. So as you can see, I've left about 1 meter of yarn, and so I'm just going to be pulling this through like so, and this is what we have. Okay, so now that you've completed this part, you are going to be taking your elastic band and pulling it. You are going to be making a knot in. So I've placed a little knot in the elastic, and now with my tapestry needle I am going to be sewing the width of the headband to one side of the project. And I'm just going to be doing this very simply with my my tapestry needle, and I am going to be going quite a few times. I'm going to be going around the elastic band quite a few times, so I'm just going to let you do that until you go all the way up to here, so all the width of the elastic band, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, so I've gone all across the width, as you can see, oops, and now I'm just going to be making a knot like so. And once you've created your knot, just fasten in your loose end and repeat the process on the other side. So fold the project over and repeat it on the other side, and then I'll show you what to do after. So just sew this to this. So this is the finished headband. I love it. It's so pretty, it's so perfect. As you can see, I have fastened in my loose ends. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.